How do you remove the drawer from a Bosch laundry pedestal?
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. So these drawers are very easy to remove, but you just need to know the trick. First, pull the drawer out as far as it will go. Next, if you put your finger in the track in the far back corners on the outside of the drawer, there is a plastic lever inside the track. Push the lever down on the right side and pull up on the left side, then that will unlock the drawer so that you can pull the drawer straight forward and out.
I was given the same info before, but I don't see the plastic levers like cabinet drawer guides.
They are difficult to see, but they are definitely there. You really can't see them. You just have to sort of feel for them. You must pull the drawer out as far as it will go. Then look at the track on the right side of the drawer. It's sort of shaped like a bracket, so it looks like this. If you slide your finger along the right side of the drawer inside the track and move your finger all the way to the back of the drawer just in front of the frame of the pedestal, you'll feel a plastic lever, and that is where you push down on the lever. I have one of these pedestals sitting right in front of me, so I'm not mistaken. Hello again. I'm just following up because I haven't heard back from you and I see this question is still open. Is there anything else I can help you with?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.